America, so try. Them media to overtake one corner and everything.
So we're on our way to Hellshire Beach.
And seeing some big mega churches.
When we go back, me video take the church
Yeah,
them.
Jamaica has become the land of mega churches. These churches, I don't even see churches in the US that big.
Alright, so
Pimpin'. Pimpin'. Oh, correct.
alright, so
Then, you know, sir, in medieval times you would have crocodile crossing on run. In medieval times they would have the house up on the hill. In medieval times you have the peasants live down low.
yeah, and the king and the ruler them live up
Yeah,
there.
the king and rulers live on the hill. And the higher the hill go all the way up at top, you'll have the king and the queen. Then them workers and then peasants. Peons and pawns way down at bottom. It's the same thing now. Jamaica is definitely a society. Where may I go?
Your second right when the roundabout there.
And we're entering Hellshire Beach. Welcome to Hellshire. Second right?
Yeah.
Left. Right, babe?
Yes, right.
Exit the roundabout onto Hellshire Main Road. Continue on Hellshire Main Road for 1 kilometer.
Try to go right. Oh, left turn the way.
No, it's alright. Alright, we get close and you go.
So,
The other one I would have on left turn.
left and over there.
Now we're right hand then maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I know something turn.
I want roundabout, you know.
Yeah.
So you turn like that and then you made a right.
I lost that for sure.
So
Chilling.
look how they overtake. Look at. Look. Yeah.
When the car is coming like full speed.
300 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Take the first exit.
Alright, navigate there. I'm going to navigate because obviously I don't know my right from my left, don't you?
Speed kills. Yeah.
Exit the roundabout, then you'll arrive at your destination.
Welcome to Hellshire Beach, Hellshire.
So that's how it's looking. FBF scenting in a way. Watch it. Minnie, if you turn on me. My camera, cause this a truck man that drive like saying heads.
Watch him on today.
His head look like his head sick or something. He just took over us with a truck. A truck, you know, not a car. He overtake us with a truck.
On a 2-lane street. He's itching for it. Can't do it, man. Too much car come. We'll try to do it now. No, and too close. There's like 4 or 5 vehicles back to back. You can't do it.
Oh, I have only 4-way flash though.
I have no clue. Making off to stay back from him because I'm a mad driver. can't ride a bicycle out here.
Look at the car. Car, they overtake on the next side of the road.
Watch the car gone.
Look at
Watch
the
out,
truck.
watch truck.
Look at the truck. Oh, look at this
No,
car.
watch this one.
Look at this car.
Watch out, watch out.
On the 2-lane street.
Watch this. Anyone try to overtake the truck to
Watch.
No.
What the fuck?
Watch that. And cars coming up.
Look, and there's
So,
cars.
You see, it's a 2-lane street. See vehicles coming this way. These people dodge in and out like it's crazy. It's crazy how they do it. They do it on a corner, blind corner where you can't see nothing coming. Like yesterday when we saw the people, I feel like drive in the bushes and take side road just to make these people pass. Like it's crazy.
Mud or shot.
Yeah, and then they end up head-on collision. And now being here, you understand why.
Look.
Watch out. Watch out.
Look.
And there's a corner. This is approaching a corner, by the way. See? And look. This is how close. You can tell by the timing of the vehicles coming back this way how close they having to cut it. Who does that? Look on the beautiful mountains. People live up in the hills. I guess these people say the place too pretty and them live here too long. They want then.
I guess.
Somewhere prettier. I don't know.
Look which part the truck reach right here.
Right here.
Right here.
All that mad driving.
For what? Not a thing. So hi guys, welcome back to another Jamaica vlog. And like I said in my other videos, I'm very sorry about my voice, but I have a hoarse throat and these videos gotta get up. So we went to Hellshire Beach and we actually went to Prendys. And if you guys don't know who Prendy is a well-known restaurant on Hellshire Beach. People like Movado, DJ Khaled, Eve all go to Prendys when they go to Hellshire. So we thought it would have been a great place to go. We went, we were eating, and then hubby Soulflow, that is, pointed out like that is Prendys. I saw him heal him up and he didn't answer, but I didn't really pay much attention to it. When we came home was when he explained to me that when Prendy came out, he gave us a bad look. Babe said he look probably like he smell shit, basically. And we know that's from the whole Gully Gaza thing and the whole reviewing of Movado song, because a lot of Movado fanatics think that we hate Movado, we don't like Movado. And in Jamaica, you know, you have a bunch of yes man and me, Movado, my boss, Movado, my general, and all these things. So we know that's why he did that, and that's why he didn't answer hubby. But that's neither here nor there. The food wasn't that good anyway. We felt like it was too expensive and we could have done it at home and done it better at home. And we went other places and got way better fish and food. So needless to say, we will not be going back to Prendys. It was a good experience. Love, light, and blessings, my brother. But keep the Gully and Gaza thing out of business. Like, business is totally different from music and entertainment business, okay? Keep them separate. Know the difference and know how to handle a business when you have customer. And customer service is a very big thing for us personally. So that's why we will not be going back to Prendys. Some of our subscribers actually gave us some recommendations for some other people like Betty on Hellshire Beach. So if we ever go back to Hellshire Beach, we'll probably be going to Betty's. But anyways, that is our little story about Hellshire Beach. And also, they're so aggressive there. so aggressive. We have to do a whole other video about that. And then and something else I want to talk about is how much there is no more beach at Hellshire Beach. Like, there's barely any beach. Okay, I feel like over time, over the next 5 years, the sea's gonna come in for the land and all those restaurants are gonna go. So the government needs to do something about it. There is something that they can do about it. And comment what your thoughts are in the comment section if you have been to Hellshire Beach recently and have seen that there's barely any beach left. So enjoy the rest of the vlog. So we just came from Hellshire. Baby's driving again. Okay.
Yeah.
He's doing a good job so far.
Whole lot of white people here. And not in the tourist area.
Yeah.
Tell them that.
Me get some pepper shrimp. Ooh.
I hope the pepper ain't not coming. I see no seed or nothing in there.
We will find them.
Used to sell out this pepper and apple.
Pepper seed.
That's how you used to know it's hot. I don't see anything in those bags. I tell them how Hellshire gone.
Yes, Hellshire gone. There's no Hellshire anymore. There's just sea and restaurants. Forgot to, I can't flip up the screen. Actually, do it like this. So there's no Hellshire anymore. The sea literally taking over the whole place.
Yeah.
You have the buildings and then you have the water, and there's no in between.
The water is actually banging up against the building.
Yeah, and they have to build like what I call the bridge thing. What I have the back part. Yeah, they have to build like a balcony area to block off the water.
Big concrete balcony.
Yeah. So, and there's Kai right here. Kai was mesmerized by the water splashing up on the rocks. Now this a person you overtake you, babe.
Yeah, come with us, I can't do this.
No, come in up right back here, so. Then drive mad, yeah?
Show them the church, babe.
Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is actually a church right here.
Look at these mega churches they're building in Jamaica. Look at this.
There's a church on every. I mean, I don't know. Wait, yes, so see one next one.
The Evangel Temple. See one more, yeah?
Okay, so one next one over here. So
right across the street.
Right across the
mega church.
Right across.
Look at this one coming up right.
Look at this here. This is another church right here.
Look at that. A complex. And wait, there's another one coming up.
Hold on.
Over Greater Portmore. You used to live over here, son?
Baby used to live over here. Greater Portmore area.
They're gonna say y'all not in Jamaica and they'll never come Jamaica and they'll make up this.
We don't broadcast when we're going to Jamaica. Look at. Overtake.
Now take over there.
I saw.
It's called kill yourself. Crazy ass drivers out here.
We just don't broadcast when we are coming to Jamaica.
Some beautiful houses out here.
Yeah, there's amazing houses out here. Really great.
Majority of the people in the US don't live in these kind of houses. To tell you the truth.
Yeah, they don't. And they cost an arm and a leg to build.
Yeah.
Here is another church.
Here's a church right here. Look at this one right here.
Look at this church right here. Look at this here.
Complex.
This is a church.
Show you how big it is. Watch it.
Okay. Another church. Right down the street from the other two.
So you don't mind shop a past that one and then wife one and the next one, you know? And son one and the next one. Church is in the family and see the next one here.
There's another one up here.
On top of the hill there. Go on, man. Go on. drive on this side of the road.
And drive mother shut out now.
You gotta be careful out here because
Yes, very
you
careful.
get into a head-on like this right
Look
here.
at this BS right here.
You get into a head-on collision out here, easy. They basically test you, man. I don't know. It's like who's the bravest?
Who ready to get killed?
Whoever wanna take over can take me over. I'm fine. That's what I realized though. Driving in Jamaica is not as crazy as people make it out to be. It's some people driving freaking crazy out here. Now you come here and drive crazy, you're one of them. But it don't have to be that way though, because no one's racing you.
Just drive at your own pace.
You got some people driving slow and you got some people driving fast.
Let's find a supermarket since we're close to the house.
Well,
Supermarket near me. Right down here. So.
that's not the house now.
No.
That's not what we did yesterday. Down the supermarket. Down on the truck.
Oh, which way you go shop there?
Down the truck we did yesterday. When KFC down when you walk across the street and go buy the water.
Oh, yeah. Babe, what is it buy? The man they sell ackee.
You said 170 a dozen.
170 a dozen.
Damn. My brother's out here hustling and ain't making no fucking bread. But I go rob people. Fuck selling ackee.
You hear yo? I saw.
That's what I rob me one. 170 and 170. 150 and 150 at 3. 20 and 20. 40. 340. 350.
Okay. So what want people? Kai is chilling. Okay.
170 and 150. That's 350 man.
So we ended our night with drinking some rum cream and some magnums and chilling. Okay, we had a good day and we also went shopping, which was a lot. When we went shopping, that's where we bought our ackee. You see that in that clip before. We went shopping for our food to actually cook in Jamaica instead of eating out because it was very expensive. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Deuces.